The reason I say buy now is because once things like, roll over and it's over, I'm telling you, within I would say 3 weeks, prices are gonna skyrocket.
That's very true.
Like rocket. And why is that? It's because first of all, we don't need to mention what happened with all the aluminum factories, but we all know if you've been watching the news, that's what we build things with. It's called aluminum. And so if that's if that supply is gone,
Yeah.
that means it's scarce. And when it's scarce, it's more expensive, right?
Exactly.
One, two, you have shipping that's been halted,
Yeah.
which means that now these companies, whoever is shipping the cargo, is paying more for insurance, is paying just storage just for the ship that's waiting there.
Yeah.
They have to pay all of that. And the thing is, when war happens, insurance doesn't cover.
Yeah,
You
that's
know?
true.
So that's marked up cost. And then you have all the other things that are raw materials that all these real estate development companies they wait for. And so prices, I'm sure, just like gas, because yesterday I filled up gas, and normally I fill up my tank for like 140 or something. Yesterday I paid 195. So the same thing that's happening with gas,
Yeah.
is gonna happen with real
Real
estate. It's
estate.
gonna go up about 30 to 40%. And so why are you waiting?
Yeah.
Like,
Exactly.
why are you waiting? It's, it's you
Um,
shouldn't wait, because if you have cash, don't think, oh my god, but we don't know what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? Like, what if it was that bad? Would we be here doing a podcast?
No.
Okay.
No, I would agree to that 1,000,000%. I mean, people need to understand this. If there's a way that you can make a hell amount of money,
Yeah.
it's the only thing when the market is not high,
Yeah.
right? I mean, since the last 6 consecutive years, we have seen the market was 60% above the market in record times,
Yeah.
right? So when it is being seen very selective and I mean down at the same time where the distressed deals are also coming and developers are giving discounts, DLD fee waivers, and all
Yeah.
that. So I think this is the right time, right? And I always say this to everybody: crisis often comes with opportunities,
Yeah.
only if you have a plan. So coming next to the long-term perspective, okay, looking forward 5 years at least, where do you see the biggest opportunity coming up in Dubai?
If I was a potential real estate investor and I had, let's say, just as a down payment, 2 to 300K, um, I would probably aim for Dubai South. I would aim for anywhere that is in the premises of the new airport.
Great
What's
choice.
the name?
Al Maktoum International.
Yeah, the Al Maktoum International Airport. And the way that you should look at things is like bubbles, right? So if
Yeah.
this is the airport, then we look at the first bubble, which is whichever how many ever kilometers you want to say it is, and then the next bubble, right?
Yeah.
The reason I say this is because it already has foot like traffic.
Yeah.
People that work there, with their families, which means there's already schools, there's already hospitals, so it's already well serviced as an area. And the thing is, I think the UAE, especially Dubai, has learned a very, very big lesson in development, which is, and I noticed this because I live on the border of like Barari and Majan.
Okay.
And when I looked at Majan, when we bought the unit there, I walk around on the Barari track,
Okay.
and I do that every morning. I walk for about 2.5 hours. Like, I wake up at 5 a.m. and I walk till 7:30, and that's how I find my land plots. And I'll send them to brokers, and I'll say, "What is we don't send me the details of this one, this one." I pin, like, I drop pins. And so, what I noticed with Majan is the way that it was built was like the US,
Yeah.
where every neighborhood has to be fully serviced with everything that's needed so people don't feel like they have to leave.
Yeah.
So where I live, it's like we have the mosques, we have schools, we have clinics, we have pharmacy, we have everything that's needed. And so I don't need to go anywhere.